Welcome back to the Proper Investments YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be breaking down Tesla and exactly what my plans are in the next 1 to 2 months. I'm going to be doing option leaps and trading this $79 account in 1 year in the hopes of being over $100,000. If you guys would like to follow me along this journey, please subscribe and leave a comment down below of a ticker symbol you would like me to break down next. We're having these repeatable lower lows and lower highs. I view this as a good opportunity, a good deal for potential puts to its previous lows. I'm not going to try to squeeze out every single dollar because I do want to be conservative while growing this account safely, but also letting exponential compound take effect in the portfolio. So I'll sell at its previous low and not try to wait for a new low to happen. We will be doing some day trading within this challenge, but mostly option leaps. So my plans are, in the next few days, sometime this week, I will be initiating a put option, and it'll be probably for a 28-day expiration, somewhere around there. I would say that we'll see a consolidation slightly, like we have in the past year. We'll likely see it go sideways a little bit, and I will get the best deal possible. I want to buy at the highest point that I can possibly buy on these puts without it triggering a break of new high. Again, I will set a very tight stop loss. I think that is absolutely crucial. It is the deadbolt to the door. It is the key to trading, is having a proper risk management strategy and actually staying disciplined on that strategy. To not change your plan, you need a proper risk to reward ratio. Now, I am in hopes of growing this portfolio at minimum of 25% every week. Yes, the entire portfolio growing 25% a week, doing option leaps. Now, so far, even with my other account, I have hit over that a day. So with this, I think it's more than reasonable. Again, a goal is something to shoot for. It's something to reach for. It's not something you have to hit. So whether it sounds unrealistic or not, just follow me along the journey and watch me grow this account. I'm going to be very transparent about my winners and my losers. I'm going to be transparent whether I stay cash or what I'm waiting for. If there's a ticker symbol you would like me to break down further in detail, please comment down below and comment what you would want me to look at. Or if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer all the comments down below. But I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'm going to go ahead and hop off here, and I'll see some of you around Discord. Link will be in the description. For the price of a cup of coffee, you could join and see my live trades, whether I'm in or out of them. Now, you'll see that on YouTube as well, but there will be a delay because of the video editing and the uploading. All right, you guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you around YouTube.